In the world of modern warfare, new technologies are evolving at an astonishing pace. One such game-changer is the X-44 Nuclear Anti-Gravitational Manta, a jet so advanced it's shaking up military strategies across the globe. Forget about traditional jets that follow predictable paths and operate within physical constraints. The X-44 is the new face of warfare, offering a whole new level of precision, maneuverability, and unpredictability. This jet's revolutionary technology is enough to make even the most powerful superpowers like Russia and China stop and reconsider their defense strategies. How exactly does this flying beast work, and what does it mean for global security? Let's dive into the features that make the X-44 a literal game-changer in military aviation. The birth of the X-44, a visionary dream. The X-44 didn't just materialize out of nowhere. Its origins traced back to an ambitious idea first introduced by NASA and the Air Force in the late 1990s. They were driven by a desire to break the boundaries of traditional aircraft design and create something truly revolutionary. The initial goal wasn't merely about building another fighter jet. They wanted to design an aircraft that would set a new standard for aerospace technology. Engineers debated whether to push the boundaries with the F-22 Raptor or the F-15 fighter jet before finally landing on a design inspired by the F-22. However, they made some bold adjustments. They removed the tail surfaces, stretched the wings into a triangle shape, and focused on creating a more aerodynamic and stealthy machine. Though the project officially kicked off in June 1999 with the name X-44A, it faced financial challenges. By 2000, funding dried up, and the future of the program was uncertain. But like any good piece of technology, even when it seemed to be in a slump, the lessons learned from the X-44 Manta design didn't go to waste. Defying gravity, the anti-gravitational propulsion. The key differentiator of the X-44 Manta is its ability to move in ways no traditional jet can. Powered by an anti-gravitational propulsion system, the Manta can navigate through areas that regular jets can't even approach. Imagine this: while conventional planes fly along the surface like swimmers gliding through water, the X-44 is like a submarine, gliding effortlessly through the skies and outmaneuvering anything in its path. This capability makes it nearly invincible to current defense systems, rendering traditional radar and countermeasures obsolete. What's even more impressive is how the Manta can achieve this. Instead of relying on rudders and ailerons like most aircraft, the X-44 uses thrust vectoring, redirecting engine power to control direction. This allows the jet to make sharp, high-speed maneuvers that would have once been thought impossible for an aircraft. The X-44's secret weapons: speed, precision, and stealth. It's not just the X-44's maneuverability that sets it apart. Its weapons are a whole new level of intimidating. This aircraft is rumored to carry hypersonic missiles that travel at mind-blowing speeds of up to 2,850 miles per hour. These missiles are so fast that they can't be intercepted by most air defense systems. On top of that, the X-44's weapons are stored internally to maintain its stealth capabilities, making it nearly invisible to radar. The stealth capabilities go beyond just keeping a low profile. The jet uses a special coating system, known as parallax, that prevents it from being easily detected by radar or even by the human eye when it reaches high speeds. It's like trying to spot a fish swimming in the ocean. You just can't do it unless you're looking in exactly the right place. As if that weren't enough, the X-44 also boasts an intelligent defense system. Its onboard sensors provide real-time threat detection, allowing it to respond to incoming dangers in an instant. These sensors detect heat signatures, identify potential missile threats, and even recommend countermeasures like infrared flares or radar jamming. This means that the X-44 isn't just reactive, it actively adapts to the battlefield. The Speed Demon, exceeding Mach 2. The X-44 isn't just a stealthy, hyper-maneuverable aircraft, it's also incredibly fast. While the F-22 Raptor tops out at Mach 2.25 and the F-35 hovers around Mach 1.6, the X-44 is designed to fly at speeds greater than Mach 2. This makes it one of the fastest fighter jets ever created. Its ability to reach such high speeds, combined with its anti-gravitational propulsion system, allows it to respond to threats with lightning-fast agility. Whether it's dodging incoming missiles or swooping in for a strike, the X-44 can move with precision and speed that no other aircraft can match. The future of warfare, global impact. The X-44 Manta is more than just a high-tech fighter jet. It represents a paradigm shift in modern warfare. With its advanced propulsion systems, evasive maneuverability, and cutting-edge weapons, it is reshaping how we think about aerial combat. And it's not just a game-changer for the United States. Russia and China are now scrambling to match the technology, realizing that traditional defense systems will no longer be enough in the face of such a revolutionary aircraft. With these advancements, it's likely that the introduction of the X-44 could spark a new arms race. As countries rush to develop their own next-gen jets, military spending will undoubtedly increase, potentially destabilizing international relations. However, this technological leap might also encourage the creation of new agreements and treaties designed to regulate these advanced weapons, keeping military power in check and ensuring that no one nation holds too much control. The cost of power, deployment and maintenance challenges. Of course, with great power comes a hefty price tag. The development, production, and operational costs of the X-44 are astronomical. Maintaining a fleet of these advanced jets would require a significant financial investment, not just for the initial purchase, but also for ongoing costs like fuel, parts, and advanced support systems. But the cost doesn't stop there. Piloting the X-44 is a whole different ballgame. The aircraft's advanced design, including its thrust vectoring propulsion and stealth capabilities, demands exceptional skill from its pilots. Mastering this jet's complex control systems and avionics requires extensive training, unlike any standard fighter jet training. Pilots must undergo intense training programs that combine advanced simulations with live exercises, replicating real-life combat scenarios where quick decisions can mean the difference between success and failure. The training doesn't just focus on technical skills, it also prepares pilots for the psychological challenges of flying an aircraft that operates at such high speeds and under extreme conditions. The future of combat, AI integration. As we look toward the future, the integration of artificial intelligence into military systems is inevitable. For the X-44, this could mean the ability to carry out certain missions autonomously. With the help of AI, the aircraft could perform reconnaissance, surveillance, or even strike missions with minimal human oversight. This would not only reduce the risk to pilots, but also allow the aircraft to perform missions in hostile environments where human presence may not be possible. The X-44 Manta, the game changer. The X-44 Manta represents the cutting edge of military aviation technology. It's faster, more agile, and far stealthier than any jet before it. With its revolutionary propulsion system, advanced weaponry, and unparalleled maneuverability, it's set to redefine the way wars are fought. While the aircraft's full potential is still unfolding, one thing is certain: the X-44 is the future of aerial combat. It's setting the stage for a new era in military technology, one where speed, precision, and stealth reign supreme. Whether it's disrupting global defense strategies or inspiring new arms races, the X-44 is undoubtedly a force to be reckoned with in the world of warfare. And there you have it, folks, the X-44 Manta, a true marvel of military technology that's reshaping the future of warfare. If you're as blown away as we are by this insane jet, don't forget to hit that like and make sure to subscribe. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and as always, keep your eyes on the skies.